Station 54, engine 69, 235, 56-2. Point 116 or 95-2, respond. 255 Trailer Boulevard off Hill Street, reported house fire. The 654 on fire, tax 3.
54 acknowledging.
54 received.
County, Assistant 54-2 is in service.
54 received. Callers monitoring it's going to be the neighbor's house. Her boyfriend was kicking the door and he gets fence out. File number 1, Station 54, engine 69, 235, point 115 air 95-2, respond. 255 Trailer Boulevard, reported house fire. Assisting 54 on fire, tax 3.
County, Lieutenant 54 is on scene. We have a working fire.
Lieutenant 54 on scene with a working fire.
Knowledge.
Station 56-2 acknowledges the call. 56-2, 10-4.
Station 69.
Yep. Oh. 95-2, 10-4, switch to tac 3.
Fire dispatch, command 1 or 2.
Now, audience responding Trailer Boulevard. 54 on scene, having possible entrapment. Got 56-2 now. 10-4, system gets reported up.
Okay, confirm entrapment. We got heavy fire to the rear of the structure.
Trailer Boulevard, system 54 confirming entrapment. Fire dispatch, tanker 54 rear. 10-4.
Tanker, come straight in. Second truck in, grab a plug.
10-4.
Fire dispatch, engine 952, zoom with 6.
Rescue engine 115 report.
10-4.
County, some utilities at this location.
10-4.
Tanker, when you get here, grab a ladder. Come to the rear of the structure.
10-4. 69-1. Engine 56-2 is coming off Hill Street.
Come around my tanker. It's going to be a car.
1054, is that going to be Peoples?
Yeah. Peoples, yeah. Yeah, it's going to be West Empire.
10-4, we're on the line with both.
Where's the line?
The Peoples, West End 5 will be there right there. Engine 54 to assist. Engine 56-2 is on scene, grab him for.
Yeah, chief.
Okay, just make sure when you have units coming in that they off to the side so you can get into the ambulance when you do. 54 is en route. 10-4, switch to tac 3. Service to first shot. 10-4.
Hill Street Command 235 is approaching. Bottom of the hill. Come up, stay up the side, right to ambulance. You have to send in that fire in front. That's just the dispatch. You mark us 235 on scene.
County Rescue 54 is on scene.
County Assistant 54 is on scene.
Tac 3. Fire dispatch.
Air 95 could be in service with the
10-4.
County Assistant 54.
System 54.
All other incoming units, stay behind everybody else.
On scene, stay behind units 1-6. Command from operations.
Yes.
I'm on mass crew to the Charlie side. With Pulse. Charge the plug.
69 coming back here.
That's copied. Chief to assistant. Yep.
Command from 56-2 and 2 early follow-up. We're going to work on getting her up.
All the mass men in front of the hut.
Man from the area.
Interior good?
We found one in the house. We'll work on getting her up.
Max 56-20, activate your emergency button, your status. 10-4. Stand by.
Man, we're going to follow the herd line.
33 Chiefs in service. Chief 33. Near incident. I need EMS from the house now. County getting EMS from the house. They're being advised.
Keep you on fire.
Tanker 115, you ain't gonna pass there. 95 2 to Nola Road.
Alright, well, if you hold on, I'm going up. I'll get the job.
Command from 235 rear. 33 knowledges.
Deputy 33, you're on fire tac 3 of a working fire. Switch your operation channel tac 7.
Command from 235 rear.
Lieutenant 2, we're setting up read on the donor elephant corner. I copy that.
Interior is on. We're gonna start the fan out.
Command interior. There's nobody left in the structure. Finish mopping up.
Gas is off. Negative.
Would you do so, please?
you have a cell phone you can contact you on.
Yeah, I have to go up and get it. 412?
235 Chief 115 Captain.
Yeah, Captain.
2 115 guys at the end of the sidewalk. Plus maybe 2 more French. We'll get in here and take a look with C-21.
As you see, I'll cover you forward now.
Hey, whatever French people you have, bring them in on this yellow line.
Any available fresh guys, report to Alpha at the mailbox 235 Chief. And then right now on the other line.
Okay. 235 Chief, how about a car guy and an attic ladder to the front rim?
Copy. You have a caller phone number. I'll see if I can get you another one.
There's Nancy should be out there. And then I'm a tech too.
That's Chapter 115. That attic clear. We can see our way from the southern side.
Okay, very good.
Hey, dispatch 33 Chief. You have here enough from the back door, team. Yeah. Hey, squad, bring the med bag up here.
This is 235. If I can get another crew of two with some bigger light.
Copy. That's a good just now.
Went 95 from interior.
Trust.
Structurally, we're looking pretty good. Minus all the soft insulation stuff that keeps coming down.
115, you saw the guys right here. I got two guys out here with Akron light.
Couldn't hurt. Sticks and lighting. Command for 115 cap.
Tanker 54, you can also shut down that red line. The other line will be the only one in service.
You can shut down your red line and route that up.
Can you get a thermal imager to the front port? The thermal imager to the front port? Disregard, they got one from the other side.